how to get the secret Discord streaming status. So if you want to get the Discord secret streaming status, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your search and search for WinCard download. Go with the official website. Now once you're here, you need to click on the Windows version and then click on download and wait for the download to complete, which is on the top right. Now go with the top right, and here you need to click on it, extract the files or install the WinCard. You'll have the install option right here. Just click on install, and if it says if Discord is still open, first fully close it, then start it and verify WinCard installed successfully. So if Discord is open, just go and close it. And once done, once installed, you need to go back and open up your Discord. So once WinCard is installed, you need to now open up your Discord, and once you're on your Discord, you need to go with user settings, which is on the bottom. Now as you can see that the WinCard has been installed, and here you will have the plugins option. You need to go with plugins. Now here you need to search for a plugin which is custom RCP. Once you search for it, if you have a toggle button, you need to just go and switch on the toggle, and you will have this settings option too. Once you find the settings like this, you need to just click on the settings and paste the link that you've copied from your dev portal. The application name doesn't really matter. This can be whatever. Under the activity type, you can select streaming and then paste a YouTube or Twitch link, and you'll be good to go. That's how you can get the secret Discord streaming status. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.